Hello everyone, this is GE stackable combo washer and dryer. After you press washer start button, you can hear a beep sound, motor try to turn, and then stop. I will show you how to fix it in the following videos. Let's start. I use the pottery knife to push in and make that clamp is off on the both sides of the washer. You can pull out the front panel. You can see there's a lot of small items piled up, hanging there, rip off sensor and the sensor bracket falling off. It won't provide motor speed feedback signal. That's the reason. In order to install the sensor, you have to take the motor out. That's the motor mounting bolt there. There's the two on both sides. I use a 1/2 inch the socket to loose it. I loose the other side of the bolt. And then I use a hand to unscrew that bolt. After that, I gently take off the wire connector for the motor and then gently take the motor out. This is a motor speed sensor. I put a link in the description below if you want to order. It's very cheap. I carefully and put that the bracket gently put into the slot and the groove on the bracket of the motor. It's a little bit tough. You have to manage to gently put it in and let it lock on the motor bracket there, and then lock on the other side of the outside of the latch there. After you put it in, spin the wheel to see if there are any interference. Make sure there is a clearance. After that, you can put the motor back on. And look, when you're mounting the motor there, you can see the mounting bracket. There's one slot, and another side is a single hole. So you better put the bolt through the single hole first to mount it. I will show you why later. After you mounted one bolt there, and try to put the belt on the wheel. So at this moment, you can easily to move the motor in and out. I mean to make the belt tension change. Look at the lower left photos. The yellow arrow point long slot. It's used to adjust the belt tension. The principle is this is used to adjust the distance between the driving shaft and the driven shaft. When you mount another bolt on the slot side, before you tighten it up, make sure the belt has enough tension. Look at the lower left photos, how they tension the belt before tighten up. You can see I pull out a little bit the motor. Just make sure the belt has a tension, otherwise you will slip. And then tighten up both sides of the bolt. Last, double check all the wire connectors are plugged in, and make sure the motor speed sensor and the motor power itself, the wire connector, is plugged. Carefully sort out all the cables. Don't let them free hanging there because easily caught by the motor belt. In the end, I use the cable tie to tie the cables on the motor body. After that, I gave a test run. If motor speed sensor is bad, the washer won't run. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.